Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the daily trader. It is February 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is dropping. The support at 857 and also 852 did not hold. So we closed down $35.45, down 4.14%. We closed at 821.53. Post market, we are up $2.34. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Look at this red candle here. Same length of wick at the top and at the bottom. And look at this perfection again. So we had the high of 856.73. So super close to our 857.36. And we came right down to the low of the day was 801.10. So we came right down to 800. Yeah. A lot of weakness for Tesla. This is not unlike maybe what happened here on January 27th. We are maybe entering a new congestion zone between, as I mentioned, 800 and 857. So maybe this is what is going to happen, or maybe we are going to bounce like we did here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure because the reason why we came down so fast was right after the earnings call when Elon scared a bunch of people. But here things are a little bit different. So maybe we are not going to jump back up as quickly. I don't know. We'll see. Let's look at the 1 hour chart a little bit. So on the 1 hour chart, the first candle of the day looked promising a little bit. So we opened lower. But we rallied quite high. Some people were buying. So there was buying pressure here. So there were more buyers than seller right here on the first hour. But then that did not last very long. So second hour was pretty bad in terms of the length of the candle here. A big red candle. Third hour also the same thing. Then we started getting sideways, and we had the support at 813. 813, and then the stock started going up. So sixth hour, nice green candle, and now a little bit of a pullback. We are really underneath this resistance. So the big question is, are we going to be able to break this resistance tomorrow here? So it could mean anything around $827 approximately, depending on when we try to break it. Not a very good day here for Tesla. Let's go see the indicators. So of course, the indicators are tanking also. So stochastic at 15. MACD broke over bearish. So we lost the little bit of hope that we had, and everything else is really bad. Let's take a look at the treasury yields a little bit. So they are climbing back up after coming down a little bit. So they seem to be going back up. VIX, yeah, look at this here. VIX is at 21 and it opened quite high at 31. So the VIX, which is showing the volatility basically in the market, this is quite high. In terms of the Dow Jones, we broke 33,816. So we are heading down to 33,203. Maybe this is where it's going to stop. Maybe. Standard & Poor's seem to be using 42.89 as a support. It broke it during the day, but came back above it, but we still don't have a green candle here. So this touch does not really mean a rebound per se. Also, NASDAQ composite. NASDAQ is heading down to 13,000. And the NASDAQ 100 also does not seem to be holding 13,901. This is pretty incredible. So for NASDAQ 100, the next stop, we have a little bit of a next stop here at 13.5, but if not, 12.90, 12.978 is in the realm of possibility. So basically what we had right here, big drop down, a pullback, that never was really strong. Yes, we broke the first resistance right here, but then we basically created another resistance that was a little bit farther away, and the stochastic never really broke over 60. So that's basically a textbook pullback. Yeah, if you are a dip buyer, you have bought the dip very often since November 4th. I'm sorry to say this, but if you are a dip buyer in a downtrend, you are buying high and not buying low, because you are buying around here and the stock is still going down because we are in a downtrend. So I don't advise that we buy the dip unless we are in an uptrend. If we are in an uptrend here, then we can buy each dip because the stock is going higher and each dip is higher. Here, each dip is lower than the next. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.